This is a really cool device. I have got my hands on really amazing piece of technology. See, this is my GitHub contribution chart, and this is how you can get it. Oh God. Ooh. Okay, so I am done with the setup. The e-ink powered display. So what is e-ink first of all? It is just a e-paper kind of a display. So normally if I want to set up this thing, I need to get e-ink display, and then I have to configure it with the Raspberry Pi, which is, I think it's inside this. I have not checked it on the website yet, but I'm guessing it is there. So that I have to buy, and then I have to configure it on my like whatever system I use, and then I can set it once and it is done. So next time I want to configure something else, I will need to again go to that system. I will code it and connect it, and then next e-ink display comes into the picture. This is a really cool device. I think they have created connectors around like I just checked on the website. It is like TRMNL.com, terminal.com kind of a website. So where they mentioned is like currently 950 plus plugins are available. From the Bitcoin to tracker to your stock market tracker, Polymarket, Google Calendar, Google Photos, Drive, anything you say, like the ChatGPT, like you can set up like tell me like dad jokes of 200 words, and it will keep on iterating every minute. So see, I have combined like 3 of the terminal dashboards as a playlist in one. So this is like days remaining for a year, and this is my calendar, company's calendar. You will not get it what it says, but yeah. And this is my GitHub chart. So I can configure up to 8 kind of a screens as a layout, and I can customize it as I want. Rather, and this is only the few things I said. So if I go to the website and then configure it as a developer, I can create my own plugins. I can create a plugin which, let's say, I work at a company which is all around this, working on these devices where you can create a backend from scratch and plug anything and play. So I can configure that as a plugin, so I can watch the console of my company here and see like how the backend works. Similarly, I can configure the OpenClaw. I can configure her message into this, and wherever I have given any task to the OpenClaw, I will get messages here every minute. Like, yeah, I'm working on this thing. I can configure OpenClaw in a manner. It will send me the message every minutes, and it also has like this kind of vibrator here. I'm guessing this also plays a sound, but don't mark me on it. I will check the docs and keep you updated on the same. So let's say what I can do with this, but definitely I'm planning to do OpenClaw setup on this because my friend has already done in one of the hackathon. So let's see how it goes. But overall, go check it out, TRMNL.com, terminal, and very cool stuff from the company team. Amazing job, and I'm really thankful to the terminal teams for sending this amazing piece.